Being the firstborn, I must say, for sprints in Kenya, I have seen so much growth since I came into the scene in terms of international competitions, and I've seen so many people who want to do 100 meters, and there's been so much growth as well, because like this year we made the World Championships team for the 4x1 relay for the first time ever, and for me that's a plus, and we already now, our foot is into the stage. We're in a period where we are doing our pre-season, and pre-season basically is building it up for the season, and the season basically is a long season, and we need to like build a very good base because it's a pyramid. The body has been responding well, and that's why I'm just excited, because every day we come for training. There are those sessions that are a bit hard, and you go home thinking about yourself, but there are those sessions that, you know, I love and enjoy doing. So I just try and make sure that there are these sessions that I'm feeling that are heavy on me, so just trying to like gain from them. So with Dan being in charge of my training program, is someone that we've been working with for 8 years when I started, and basically I believe that he understands me in out, and I think that those codes, I must say that he cracks them and knows where to push and not to push. So I think that's, for me, is the major thing that I decided to go back to work with him. So from 2025 season, my biggest lesson that I learned is, you know, just take a day at a time because we were thinking so much about the future and not, you know, appreciating that we have this day with us today. So that's something that we were really focusing on, and I don't think it went well with us. So for me, that biggest lesson was a day at a time. Like, let today end. Don't think about tomorrow. Don't be anxious about tomorrow. The biggest plan for 2026, of course, is the Ultimate Championships that's coming in September. Hopefully, we'll be on the lineup. But again, looking at the Commonwealth Games, I am the defending champion. So we are putting in so much work, and that's in sight. But again, like I said, one of the lessons that I picked from this year was handle a day at a time. So we're having so many things before that. We're having the Indo Games, we're having the Indo Tour, we're having the Diamond League season, and I've seen the African Championships is back as well, so I don't know if the team will want me to go there. We're having the World Relays as well, and being the spear, I mean, like the guy will be in charge of the team. We're having so many things before then, so a day, a championship at a time. The government needs to hasten and fasten these renovations, because it's affecting us as sprinters. I might be privileged to go and train abroad, but what of the other 500 sprinters who are back here? They need these facilities. So I'm happy that Nyayo is done, but you know, we can't start doing like the session we did today at Nyayo, because we need a proper place like Kasarani. My message to my fans, thank you for supporting me in 2025. It's been a great year. We've cried together, we've laughed together. We've had lessons together to pick. Some of them been reaching out, telling me this and that. I really appreciate that. And I'm just praying that we can have another glorious 2026. And as you head out for your festive seasons as well, I wish you all the best.